Welcome to Keep On Growing, where we believe everyone deserves the knowledge to grow their own food. Now, over the years, I've been showing people how to do it in an easy and affordable way using hydroponics. If you look over this channel, you'll see a lot of things we've done over the years to teach people how to do just that. Traditional gardens are awesome, but there's a lot of weeding, tilling, composting, blood, sweat, tears involved. And some people just can't do that. So we've done a lot of awesome things, used recycled containers, and pretty much developed a set it and forget it system. Now, over those years, I've had a lot of people say they were interested in hydroponics, but there's a lot of plastic involved. And they kept asking if there's a way to do it without all the plastic. So in the spirit of trying to help everyone, recently we've been trying to find a more natural way to do hydroponics. We still want it easy, we still want it affordable, and we want to make it something that just about anyone out there can do. So whether you want to grow in a takeout container or a ramen tray, a milk jug, save some things from going to the landfill, or if you want to find a more natural way to grow in things like wood, glass, stone, metal, even bioplastics. And hang around and keep on growing.